everyone, this is Fiona from Ether. Welcome to Wuxi Hongjinmilai Steel Company. Now please follow me, I will show you our manufacturing workshop. On my right side, we can see this is our raw material storage warehouse. Our company specializes in the production of aluminum plates, tubes, rods, and other aluminum profiles. Behind of me, this is our cutting production line. Combined with our expensive coil inventory, this equipment enables aluminum to reduce delivery times, even for special needs, while providing our customers with improved flatness and quality. Now we are going to feed our aluminum slitting production line. The length can be customized according to customers' requirements. Our standing stock is sufficient, the customized production is fast, and the delivery is timely. At the end, I will show you our finished products warehouse. Let's take a closer look at them. This is our packing of export standard.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.